are going to see what is draft. Draft means we can taper any model faces by specific angle using a neutral plane or parting line. So let's see. First we will create one geometry, one 3D plane, 3D part. So select top plane, sketch, and draw any rectangle. Okay. Now just extrude it. It's according to our select OK. Always keep perspective on so it looks perfect. Now we will see what is draft. So select draft. Draft, even you can select here edit feature. There is one more option here, draft, in extrude place, but we will see separately. So select draft. In draft you have to select neutral plane and face. So we can make any neutral plane. Let's make this as a neutral plane, and we will select this face which we want to draft. So we selected this face. Angle, let's make 15 degrees. See the arrow showing it goes upward, means the angle degree become downward. So let's select. See, is going upward means it's become a 15 degree taper. Just edit it, edit feature, and neutral plane you have to select any one plane, but in faces you can select many number of faces. Select this face and increase degree 20, select OK. See, it is tapered from both the sides. Edit feature, and you can select even all the faces, all the 4 faces. Select OK. Now see, it is become a pyramid. Re-edit it and see this arrow dimension. You can make reverse. So just select it, reverse. See, it is going down. Now the position will change. Select OK. Now see, it's become a reverse. So this is called draft, a very useful and very handsome tool in SolidWorks. I hope you enjoy.